Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how envelopes work in Goodbudget. Goodbudget is a digital budgeting tool based on the traditional envelope system. The idea is to take your income and divide it into different categories, or envelopes, for your expenses. First, you set up your envelopes. These are your spending categories, like groceries, rent, entertainment, and so on. You can create as many as you need. Next, when you get paid, you fill your envelopes. You allocate a specific amount of your income to each envelope. For example, you might put $500 in your groceries envelope and $1,000 in your rent envelope. This is your plan for how you will spend your money for the month. As you spend, you record your transactions in the app and assign them to the correct envelope. When you buy groceries, you enter the transaction and it automatically deducts the amount from your groceries envelope. You can see how much money is left in each envelope at any time. The real power of the system is the visual representation of your budget. When an envelope is empty, you know you've reached your spending limit for that category. It prevents you from overspending because you can't take money out of an empty envelope without transferring it from another one. Goodbudget also has different types of envelopes, like regular envelopes for monthly expenses, and annual or goal envelopes for things you save up for over time, like car insurance or a vacation. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.